Alright, ladies and gents, time for film your favorite video, right? Only thing done to the Hellcat, well, there's a lot of things done to the Hellcat. Leg maker intake, 285 pulley, and injector, spark plugs, tune, and a cat delete. So yeah, we're about to film your favorite video, the POV drive. Just make sure you check out the gram. I'm gonna start her up for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Start her up. Let's go for a drive. Alright, go it. Pause that. SRT twice. Let me put it in. Which mode should I use? Trap mode. Yo, with this new tune, the transmission shift hella hard. Put it in sport so I can hear more pops. I feel like in sport it pops more. Turn off traction, of course. Alright, let's go. Manual. I'm gonna take a different route. I don't even know that route. Damn, that shit left tires, what? Who said boats can't handle? Hear those pops? Damn, can I fit right here? Nope. Hear those pops? Alright. Fast boat. This is not like them regular ones, okay? Hear the pops? Let me give you guys a 60 roll, yeah? Oh, the light change. But yeah, with this tune, I mean, it made me fall in love with the car even more. I never thought I could. But yo, each thing I do to this car, I fall in love with it more. I'm gonna give you guys a 60 roll. Anything under 60, it spins. 40, just gonna spin. Alright, I like to do my 60s in third gear. Okay. Wanna hear some pops? Okay, U-turn. Okay. Construction. No, you can't pass the construction workers too fast, you know what I'm saying? Yo, did you hear the pop? I hope you heard that pop, man. Ooh, them pops though. I wonder if they can hear the pops. Yeah, man, that's the Hellcat. Baby is back, and yo, I've been loving it since it's came back, man. This car is amazing. Ex-police car, that. Speaking of police cars, this car is amazing. It pops on demand. It whines like crazy, and it's not too loud. It has a cat delete in it right now, and it's not too loud. It's deeper than a regular one. One thing with a cat delete, you do smell more fumes. That's the one thing. As long as you're moving, you don't smell it, but if you come to a stop for a long period of time, you do smell more fumes. Spins like crazy, that's all it does, spin. The transmission shifts super hard though. Okay, now we're done.